Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to run DeepSeek R1 on your desktop. We'll cover hardware requirements, installation steps, and GPU recommendations so you can run AI locally on your machine. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's talk about the minimum system requirements for running DeepSeek R1. The hardware you need depends on the model size you want to run. Minimum system requirements: DeepSeek R1 1.5B. Runs on CPU, 8GB RAM recommended. DeepSeek R1 8B. RTX 3060, 12GB VRAM, or higher, 16GB RAM. DeepSeek R1 14B. RTX 3090, 24GB VRAM, or higher, 32GB RAM. DeepSeek R1 32B. RTX 4090/A6000, 24GB to 48GB VRAM, 64GB RAM. DeepSeek R1 70B. Dual RTX 4090/A100/H100, 128GB RAM. If you don't have a powerful GPU, you can still run smaller models like 1.5B or 8B on your CPU. But for better performance, a dedicated GPU is highly recommended. Step 1. Install Ollama. Go to https://ollama.com/download. Download and install Ollama for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once installed, open the terminal or command prompt. The Ollama installer will now launch. You'll see a setup wizard that will guide you through the installation. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You can leave the default settings as they are unless you have a specific reason to change them. The installer will now copy the necessary files to your computer. This should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. After the installation is finished, close the installer. To make sure Ollama is working correctly, now type Ollama in the command prompt and press Enter. If the installation was successful, you'll see a list of available commands and options. This means Ollama is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Ollama on your Windows machine. Now you're ready to start using Ollama to run large language models locally. Step 2. Download and run DeepSeek R1. Use this command to download the 8B model. Now run DeepSeek command. Ollama run DeepSeek R1:8B. If you want a different model, replace 8B with 1.5B, 14B, 32B, or 70B. Step 3. Set up a chat interface. This step is optional. First, need to download Chatbox AI from website chatboxai.app. Install and open Chatbox AI. Once it's open, now, set the model provider to Ollama and API host to 127.0.0.1 with port 11434. Choose the DeepSeek R1 model you downloaded. Navigate to the settings within Chatbox AI. Open the Chatbox AI application. If you haven't installed it, download it from Chatbox AI. Look for the Settings or Preferences menu in the app. Set the model provider to Ollama. In the settings, you'll find an option to select a model provider. Choose Ollama because this is the tool responsible for running DeepSeek R1 on your local machine. Ensure the API host is set to 127.0.0.1 port 11434. Ollama runs a local server on your computer that provides access to AI models. The API host 127.0.0.1 port 11434 tells Chatbox AI where to communicate with Ollama. This IP 127.0.0.1 means it's running on your own machine, and 11434 is the port number used by Ollama. Select the DeepSeek R1 model you downloaded earlier. In the Chatbox AI settings, there should be an option to choose a language model. Navigate to the settings within Chatbox AI. Open the Chatbox AI application. If you haven't installed it, download it from Chatbox AI. Look for the Settings or Preferences menu in the app. Set the model provider to Ollama. In the settings, you'll find an option to select a model provider. Choose Ollama because this is the tool responsible for running DeepSeek R1 on your local machine. Ensure the API host is set to 127.0.0.1 port 11434. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you run DeepSeek R1 locally on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which model you're using. See you in the next video.